Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to talk about a new feature that we have added in the recent update of Fogwing CMMS version 2.25, which is the Part 360 feature. In your maintenance operation, managing spare part effectively is a real challenge. Imagine this. Your technician is ready to execute a work order, but the part they need is unavailable, or they find a part which is in stock, but there is no record of where it was last used or whether it is currently being used into any of the work orders or when it was purchased. So all these visible gap often leads to confusion, which leads to delayed maintenance. Then downtime happens, cost increases. So what a maintenance team really need is a single reliable source where they can view everything about the parts, it details, purchase history, and uses instantly. So let us now navigate to the part 360, how you can access part 360 from the part module. So from the left menu item, you can directly click on the part section here. And once you are in the parts section, you'll be able to see all the parts in this dashboard. And on the right hand side, um, you can see three dots below the action column. You can access the part 360 as the first option here. So once you click on part 360, you'll be able to see all the details of a particular part as you were earlier able to see in the asset module as asset 360. So that is, exactly why we have built part 360. It gives you a complete all-in-one window in your parts lifecycle. Every critical detail from your purchase to information to the uses, all this is available in one centralized view right within your parts module here. So starting off with the parts information here, as you can see, you will be able to see all the details about part code here, part name, whether the particular part is critical or not, different variant, uh, quantity which is currently in stock, quantity which is reserved, what is the location, what is the aisle, and what is the shelf here. So all this information will be the part of the parts info section. Also, you can see some description about this particular part here. So all this information will be the parts of the parts info section here. So no more guessing where your part is for, what is for. The info tabs gives you instant access to all the basic details. So moving on to the second section here, which is the purchase section, which will give you the information about all the purchases which has been done till date for this particular part, where this particular part has been procured from, what is the supplier name, what is the supplier code, what its delivery time, what is the minimum order for this particular part, what is the purchase cost, what is the single cost of this particular part. That is all visible into this purchase section here. So all the purchase history, right from the purchase order number, the receivable code, the quantity which has been received, then the information about the purchase order, which is the batch number and the lot number will be also be visible here, and then the date which has been uh, on which the part has been received. So all this detail is available. Moving on to the usage section here, the usage tab displays every work order where this part was consumed. Now you can analyze the usage trends, identify high demand items, plan stock replenishment before the shortage occurs. So basically it shows you the work order name, work order code, machine on which this particular part has been used, the machine code, the asset code here, the priority, on which particular date the work order has been closed, and the quantity, the number of the quantity of the parts which has been used on this single work orders here. So all that detail is available in the usage section here. So with the Part 360 view, your maintenance team gains the clarity and control which is needed to make informed decisions, reduce downtime, and operate more efficiently, all from one unified view. So start exploring the Part 360 view in Fogwin CMMS today and transform the way you manage your spare part with better visibility, smarter maintenance, and greater efficiency. So that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more such update, which will be released in the subsequent upgrade of Fogwin CMMS um, software. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.